What's up, everybody? Welcome to the project 2 of our 20 project in 60 days. And I'm very excited. This project is gonna be it's gonna be very different than the other project we did. We're gonna use different library and we're gonna make a bot that's gonna go extract all the things that we need to extract. So it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool, and I'm very excited. So in this particular video, I want to mainly focus on things like how to install and use Selenium Chrome web drive, because I personally ran into a lot of many problems when I was trying to use it for the first time. Um, this part one of this series of for the project 2 is mainly going to be about that, and then I may post the second part also today. That's going to be about basically the setting up, how we're going to set up our basically project. So that being said, let's get into it right away. All right, so for the sake of this project, I'm going to use PyCharm. I already have opened up a project, main.py. And the first thing we want to do is to see if we have it, or if the Selenium. If we don't have it, we need to install it. So to install it, it's pretty simple. Like any other package, you just come here and do pip install Selenium. Boom. All right, boom. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna do, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna say from Selenium import Chrome drive, or sorry, import web drive. Yeah. There's a bird sound coming from outside. If you all hear it, my apologies. So we got the Selenium import, we got the web drive from the Selenium. So what is web drive? So for the sake of the projects that we're gonna use Selenium for, our goal is to create a bot that is going to automatically go extract some information from a specific website and bring back the result to us. So for example, the project that we're gonna do moving forward is going to be ticket prices, basically flight ticket prices. So what is basically probably going to do is going to be like, okay, let me go open that website, which I think we're going to do Expedia, and then from Expedia, I'm going to look at all the prices for a flight that's going to go from Portland to LAX, Los Angeles, and I'm going to bring back the result of the pricing, and then I'm going to tell you what basically ticket has is the cheapest and what's the most expensive one, if we need to know that. So to do that, first thing we need to do is to just open the Chrome browser itself, right? To open a Chrome browser, we can just do driver, and we can call it like WebDriver dot Chrome. All right, so what we need here is a path. Actually, see, it does say that we need to have a path. So there is an executable Chrome drive that you need to download for your specific Chrome version to be able to run this basically line of code. I do have it, so if I run this, I should be fine. Okay, let me just run this on my own terminal. Alright, so I'm just going to run this here. It says Python free run main.py. As you'll see, it opened the Chrome itself, which was our goal. And you see, you can here says it's Chrome is being controlled by automated test software, which is the bot that we're going to construct. There is a potential that you will not be able to use this, and there are two different things that you need to do if you are a Mac user or Windows user. So I'm gonna first tell Mac users how to approach this problem. I want you to come here and open your Chrome browser and just type Chrome version. So here you have your Chrome version right here. And next thing you're going to do is we're going to come to this website right here. And I'm going to link all of these things and if like basically part like step by step how to do these things. So don't worry about it if you get lost throughout the video. So as you saw, the Chrome version is what 109. So we come all the way here to find 109. You find it, you open it, and then you find the version that's right for your computer. So we have Windows, we have Mac, and whatever Linux. And so basically this one is this guy. So what you want to do, you want to download it. And as you can see, we have the ChromeDriver right here. So what I want you to do, if you are a Mac user, I want you to come right here and just hang with me, just do user local bin. You come here, you come to the bin, and then you paste your ChromeDriver right here. So you drag it from there, and then you paste your ChromeDriver here. You do this, you're fine as a Mac user. For those who are not Mac users, after you download the package itself, the zip file, you can save it anywhere you want. You can save it anywhere you want. You just want to make sure you have the address for it. You know where you're saving it, so you need to know that pathway to get to a ChromeDriver later on. Okay, so back to our PyCharm. So the second thing you want to do, you want to import OS. And a quick note, if you were not able to make this work, just please leave a comment and I try to help you specifically with your problem that you're dealing with. So you import OS. All right, let's just do OS dot environ. And then we're gonna do path, capitals. And this path itself already has a path. So you don't want to assign it to like put equal, you want to do plus equal. And then you want to write something like wherever you stored it, basically, which for me is here. You're good to continue. And then the next thing I want you to do is let's try to right now open a specific website. So let's just do driver.get. We want to get this Expedia. I have the URL for that right here. I'm gonna put it right here, and if you're ready, we can run this, see what happens. There you go. So Expedia got run perfectly, everything is fine, no problem, right? So here's what all you need to know then for this part one, to just be able to open your browser, your Chrome, and be able to basically open a specific website that you want to. So this is good for part one. So you all can just be able to set up basically the Selenium itself, be able to use WebDriver, and if you would like to learn more about the path and WebDriver itself, I will put some link below that you all can use to learn more about them, or maybe on top, I don't know, we'll see where I'm going to put the link. That's it for now. Please make sure to subscribe and like if this was helpful to you, and I'll see you all in part 2.